Hey friends, so this video is to find the dimensions of a rectangle. First of all, it always helps to have a picture. I always have to have a picture. So here is a general run-of-the-mill, nothing special rectangle. It doesn't matter which you label the width or the length, but the area is equal to the width times the length. So there's three variables there, so we need to have two of them accounted for, and then we can find the third. So it does tell us in the problem that the area of the parking lot is 279. So area equals 279. And then it does tell you that the length is 4 yards more than triple the width. So the length is 4 yards more than triple the width. So we also have something for the length. So then we're going to substitute in. We're going to say 279 is equal to the width, which we don't know, times the length, which is 3W plus 4. So we have 279 is equal to 3W squared plus 4W. So we turned it into a quadratic. So 3W squared plus 4W minus 279 is equal to 0. I think I would use the quadratic formula. So the discriminant is 4 squared minus 4 times A times C. So the discriminant is 16 plus 12 times 279. That comes out to be 3,364. So then the quadratic formula would be the opposite of B, which is 4, plus the square root of 3,364 divided by twice A. And A is 3, so 6. So in this case, W equals the width equals the opposite of B plus and minus B squared minus 4 AC divided by twice A. But since it's a rectangle and it has to have positive answers, that minus sign's not going to be there anymore. And if you wanted the discriminant, which is what I did first, the discriminant is the B squared minus 4AC. So the discriminant is what I did first. So let's use a different color. I did this piece right, where did I do it? I did this piece right here. And then I took that piece and I put it right there. And then I did the quadratic formula. Then I did all of this right here. And then if you type that in your calculator exactly the way you wrote it, and let's round it. To the nearest tenth, I think makes sense. Let's round it to the nearest tenth. So W equals 3364. So if we go to our calculator, And then we go alpha y equals, and memory's not that good, so let's see, what was it? Negative 4, 3, 3, 6, 4. Negative 4 plus the square root of 3364 divided by 6. We're going to go to the nearest tenth. So 9. So it comes out to be 9. So the answer is 9. So the rectangular parking lot has a length that is 4 yards more than triple its width. The area of the parking lot is 279 square yards. So find the length and the width. So it is, this is 9. And if we go 3 times 9 plus 4, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. This is 31. So the parking lot is 9 by 31 yards. What are you going to put in Canvas? This. Okay, let's try another. A rectangular parking lot has a length that is 4 yards less than triple the width, and the area is 160 square yards. So W times 3W minus 4 is equal to 160, because width times length equals the area. So 3W's minus 4W's minus 160 is going to equal 0. And then I would take negative 4 squared minus 4AC, and that comes out to be 16 plus 12 times 160, 1936. So then the quadratic formula is W equals, I'm going to highlight this so I can find it. W equals the opposite of B plus the discriminant divided by twice A. 1936, 4 and 6. So, didn't do it on that calculator, I did it on this one. 1936, 4 and 6. So back here, if I change this to 1936, and I lose the negative sign here, I see, 8. So that comes out to be 8. So the width is 8. And the length is 3 times 8 minus 4. So the length is 20. So it is 8 by 20. That's what you put in Canvas. And my computer went to sleep. Everything is falling to sleep. All my batteries are dying. Alrighty. And the last one. Again, rectangular parking lot with a rectangular parking lot has a length that is 1 yard less than 11 times the width. The area of the parking lot is 532. Alrighty, so if area equals width times length, actually, I think I like it on the other side. Then the width is W, and the length is 11 W's minus 1 equals the area, which is 532. So 11W squared minus W minus 532 equals 0. I am going to highlight this so I can find it in the midst of all this. And the discriminant is -1 squared minus 4 times A times C. That comes out to be 1 plus 44 times 532. 23,409. Alrighty, so then W is going to equal the opposite of B plus the square root of the discriminant divided by twice A. And A is 11, so that would be 22. 349. $23,409, and this was a 1. 7. So W comes out to be 7. The length is 11 times 7 minus 1, so 76. So 7 by 76 yards is the answer. Were we in yards? We were in yards. All right, my friends, that is how you do these problems. If you have any questions, email me or ask me in class.